Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Clean and parboil so the texture becomes firm and the odor is minimized. Once done, drain and cool briefly, then slice into 1/2 to 1 centimeter strips so heat penetrates evenly. Heat a wok or heavy pan until shimmering. Use high heat for a quick sear that locks and chew while keeping interiors tender. Make sure to pat pieces very dry because moisture causes splatter and steals sear. You want contact, not steam. You now sear on high heat. Add oil, wait until it shimmers, then add intestines in one layer so they blister and brown. This Maillard reaction gives flavor and chew contrast. Once browned, keep tossing to avoid burning and add sliced garlic, chili, and scallion for aroma. Next, splash rice wine or a few tablespoons of stock to deglaze and pick up fond. Stir in soy, a little sugar, and sesame oil to create a glossy sauce that clings to each piece. You finish by reducing sauce to coat the intestines. Add a splash of vinegar or lemon to cut richness, then scatter herbs and toasted sesame. Make sure to cook only 2 to 4 more minutes after browning. Prolonged heat makes them tough. If the texture is rubbery, stop cooking immediately. Rest them in the warm pan with sauce for 2 to 3 minutes, or thinly slice across the grain to shorten fibers and improve chew. Plate hot and serve immediately for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.